Hello viewers. We are from Kobe Classic Industries, Coimbatore, India, which has been highlighted in the world map for manufacturing highly sophisticated engineering components and machineries. We are one among the leading manufacturers of agricultural machineries and implements and are experienced for more than 20 years in similar field. We are glad to introduce our latest coconut dehusking machine, in other words, coconut fiber peeling machine. Please have a glimpse of the machine and I will explain how it works and why this machine has been developed. This machine has two portions. One is the main machine and another one is the stand for stacking coconuts for feeding into the machine. Why this machine has been developed? Just view this clipping. See the heaps of millions of coconuts. Everywhere you can find coconuts, coconuts and coconuts. These coconuts are stacked for dehusking manually. This is the traditional way of dehusking the coconuts which has been practiced even today. A single-headed spear has been mounted onto the ground, the sharp edge facing upwards. The coconut is pressed on to the spear manually and the spear enters into the husk. By twisting the husk is peeled off. Don't you think that it is very dangerous way of dehusking? Just imagine what will happen if the hand or the coconut slips away from the spear. That's why this machine has been developed. The object of developing this device is to dehusk the coconuts safely, to dehusk the coconuts fully without damaging the shell, to do the job mechanically or semi-automatically by employing minimum human resource. Please see how the machine is working. The operator is just feeding the coconuts one by one into the working chamber which has a tension lever. The tension lever can be easily moved to enable the working chamber to hold the coconut firmly to dehusk. You may notice that within a few seconds the coconut is peeled off just like that and the husk comes out. Then what happened to the peeled off coconuts? Just see behind the machine. The clearly peeled off coconut is coming out one by one like a hen laying eggs. There are two types of dehusking the coconuts. One is for industrial purpose for extracting oil from the copra, that is, to dehusk the coconut completely. Another one is to dehusk, leaving top fiber to remain for domestic usage. The peeled off coconuts with top fiber can be kept for a few days and it does not get rotten. This machine can peel off the biggest size as well as smallest size because of the adjustable tension lever. Please see the sizes. This one is a small size coconut and see how it is peeled off. This is a big size coconut which is also peeled off smoothly. Let us discuss about the technical specifications of the machine. The machine is equipped with 2 HP motor suitable for single phase or 3-phase electricity. The buyer has the option of selection in accordance with his requirement. This machine has been designed in such a way that it does not vibrate because the body has been built with 16 gauge EMS sheet. Yes, we can understand your question of portability of the machine since the machine has to be moved to the places where the coconuts are stacked. This machine has been fitted with 4 numbers scooter tires and the machine can be moved to any spot of the coconut farm or the yard. Then there is a question of spares. The moving accessories are made with sturdy materials and they don't get worn out for a considerable time. However, if there is a need, a phone call is sufficient for us to supply the required spares. We are glad to mention here that our coconut dehusker is under patent registration. You may require our machines to be at your farmyard. For your requirement of our machines, please contact the address appearing in the screen.